going on YouTube now. Oh. That happens all the time. Oh, no, all the time. I'm done it too. How many people check it? How many do you have? Oh,
Mr. Zulowoyski,
I don't know about the-
you can unmute yourself, sir.
You talking to me?
All right.
No, you're Mr. Young. Okay,
Like four?
how do you pronounce your last name, Mr. Zawiski?
Swarzaleski.
Laura Zaleski, okay, all right, you
Yep.
ready?
Oh, no.
Alrighty.
These are the matters of the people versus Adam Zaleski. This is ticket number P1203867, one count expired plates, one count no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P1203863, one count failed to secure load. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
William Glenn, House Counsel, P36794.
And Mr. Zaleski, could you please state your name for the record?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Please state your name, please.
Oh, Adam John Swarzaleski.
Okay. Are you distracted by something right now, sir?
No, I'm just looking over my paperwork, the tickets I received in the mail and that.
Okay, all right. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Yana, we waived a formal reading, stand mute. My client is going to accept the offer of a 1-year delayed sentence for failure to secure a load. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
All right. If so, can you please raise your hand, sir? Your right hand?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
I know. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Glenn in private today about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
You understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
yes,
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of May the 28th of 2021. Were you in the area of Sherwood and Davidson in the city of Detroit driving a 2004 Ford vehicle?
that's correct.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to secure a load properly in that vehicle?
That's correct. I had one steel pole sticking out the back end. Normally, I don't do that.
Satisfied, Attorney Glenn?
Yes, Yana, satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well, and will accept this plea to the count of fail to secure a load and dismiss the remaining two civil infractions in this particular matter. Now, the agreement in this matter is that we put you on 12 months delayed sentence. If you get no new tickets and you don't pick up anything new, then this matter will be dismissed. Are you currently employed, sir?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200, but you have until our next time, which is going to be November the 29th of 2022 to get that paid, okay? So that gives you 12 months to pay $200, okay?
okay, it's no problem.
As long as you pay that, have no new tickets, this case is going to be dismissed along with the other two tickets are being dismissed today, but this case will be dismissed as well, okay?
Okay, sounds great. Thank you. I was wanting to mention something real quick, if that's all right. I received a ticket or another copy of a ticket in just my dad's name for
The same thing.
for one of the same one of the same charges for the no insurance. It says the offense date was 5/28/21, but the card is just with my dad's name. I could put it up to the camera.
His name for the
Is
same
it for
thing.
today's
Yeah,
date,
it's-
for tomorrow? Does it say 11:30 on there?
The court date is for
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, for the
But
court,
the
the court
offense
date.
date is the same
Ma'am,
date.
ma'am, you can't speak, we don't have you on the camera, and so we don't know what your voice is, and so you can't be on our record, so you can't speak, okay, ma'am? You have to allow him to speak.
All right, sorry.
Sorry about that. Yes, that's correct. So the court date for this says Tuesday, 11/30/21 for tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. He never got pulled over though. It was me that did that on May 28th.
So,
State your name for the record, please.
good afternoon, Your Honor. John Gillis, P79500 on behalf of people for the record. What should occur is any ticket for no registration or no insurance.
Thank you.
to the registered owner of the vehicle.
Okay,
So if the father is the registered owner of the vehicle, he should have received the ticket for no insurance, not the son.
okay.
So but yeah, I'm not sure exactly what transpired there. I don't know who the registered owner is.
Okay, all right. Your dad needs to show up for court tomorrow, okay, and then we'll be able to figure things out. All right. Hope he comes tomorrow. All right. Mr. Young? Del Vegas? Young? Sir, you can't have a hat on during court. Okay, mute yourself.
Yeah, I thought when I saw the white guy with one, I thought it was cool for everybody. But I'm black as hell. I know I'm black.
All right, I'm gonna give you a new court date. We're gonna have you come back, we're gonna do these, I'm gonna put these on the record, and then I'm gonna have you come back on a new court date. These are the matters of people versus Delaveus.
D. Elvis. D. Elvis Young.
Yeah, this is ticket number 154658991. One counter drove while unlicensed. Ticket number X2021866. One count of no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. Count 2, violation of seatbelt driver law. Ticket number P1206199. One count driver's license never required. One count violation of basic speed law drove in an unsafe manner. Ticket number U995799013. One count entering without owner's permission. Also, you ticket 222-45115. One count use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
William Glenn, House Counsel, P36794.
Mr. Young, can you state your name for the record, please?
You want my name?
Yeah.
D. Elvis Young.
This is the date and time set. I have some of these matters are in warrant status, so I'm gonna remove them from warrant status and set aside the bench drawer and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf in particular matters. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial matter, scheduled for February the 22nd of 2022. It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. in this courtroom, same Zoom number that you zoomed in today. 2/22/22, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all matters. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing for today.
That's some bull crap. Just because the white guy had on the hat.
I don't understand why they did that like
She
that,
did it
though.
because of you.
All right. Caitlin Williams, stop laughing. Stop laughing at me. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Thank you, Ms. Williams. I'm gonna call your matter next, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Caitlin Williams. This is ticket number P 1206734, one count roll by license suspended. Also calling ticket number P 1206719, one count drove with bright glaring or without lights or failed to dim lights. Also call, count 2, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please. Mr. Glenn, you gotta unmute yourself.
William Glenn on behalf of Miss Williams, P 36794.
And Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Caitlin Williams.
This is the date and time set for a arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding?
Yeah, no, we waive the formal reading, stand mute. My client is going to accept the offer of improper
Yes.
plates dismissal of the other matters.
Excuse me. I'm sorry to cut you off.
Do you want to take the plea, ma'am?
So it was a misunderstanding. No, I
Okay,
don't want to.
all right, we asked for a pretrial date, Jim.
Okay.
You want a pre-trial or you want a bench trial, jury trial?
A pretrial, Your Honor. I believe this matter could be resolved at the next hearing, shorter trial.
Okay. Is that how you want to proceed, Ms. Williams?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I said, is that how you want to proceed, Ms. Williams? You want to have a pre-trial in this particular matter?
Yes.
Okay, all right. That means that he gave you some information. You're gonna try and take care of some business before you come back for the next court date?
Okay.
Was that your discussion? I don't know what your discussion was. He gave you some instructions?
Well, my client has a misunderstanding of what the charges are and what her rights are, and what the plea offer is. I believe if she talks to another lawyer and they tell her the same thing, we could resolve that.
Well, we can set this, you want to set this for a bench trial instead of just a pre-trial? Because my dates.
Okay, we could do that. We could do that. Set it for trial. Set it for trial.
All right. Ms. Caitlin Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, and he's informed me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where I am the trier and finder of the facts, and based on that information, we'll make a decision. Is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Williams. All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March 28th of 2022. And that's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is gonna be a Zoom trial, so you can Zoom back on to court the same way you Zoomed on today, on that date. You need to write that down? Okay, go ahead, write it down. I appreciate that. Are you in school now, Ms. Williams?
College. Being enrolled, actually.
Okay.
What was the date?
It's gonna be March the 28th, 2022. If this date is going to interfere with your class schedule, I'm going to give you our courtroom phone number. Please call and we will reschedule this so that you do not miss class.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna be March the 28th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And I'm gonna give you the courtroom phone number. Are you ready?
Yes.
313.
Okay.
965-2293. Okay? I don't want you missing class for this, okay? All right, so there's nothing further. This does conclude this hearing. Thank you, Ms. Williams.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Payment was due today, Judge. Need her to talk, sorry. You ain't gonna know when you be right. Payment was due today. Sorry.
Take your number down. Tell them that you're calling.
She called collections, the clerk working collections called up here and said that the lady called. So I just told the collections clerk to get her phone number.
Yes.
So we'll call back, call collections, ask for Laverne and ask her, did she get that person's phone number? No, I forgot. I know.
Tomorrow Young over here? Tomorrow Young? Tomorrow Young?
What was that number that she called me from? It's on there. Savon.
Alon Williams? Oh, she didn't come out the room yet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Francis Young, we still didn't get it off on a state ticket.
Did you get any money from this website? No? Oh, no, ma'am. So we did everything. Let me check again. I don't think. I didn't email, but nothing from her.
Miss Williams, you can unmute yourself.
Okay. Sit
What's
down.
the matter with the people versus Milan Williams? This is ticket number P 1202761. One count alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
William Glenn, P 36794 on behalf of Ms. Williams.
You got a new spot to sit in? I know you had a kid by you. It's okay with me. I understand it's a little difficult sometimes. Go have a seat somewhere though. All right. Please state your name for the record, please.
Milana Williams.
This is a date and time set for an arraignment on information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we waive a formal reading, stand mute. My client asked for a bench trial in this matter. She maintains her innocence.
Is that right, Ms. Williams? You want a bench trial in this matter?
Yes.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights? That was Mr. Glenn.
Yes.
All right, and he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Can you say that one more time, please?
I said, you telling me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where I will be the person who listens to the testimony, and based on the testimony in the court of law, I will make a decision. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for March the 28th of 2022 at 9 a.m. It's going to be a trial. So you're going to sign back in that same date, just like you're doing right now at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, so you said March 20th at 9 a.m.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this meeting.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. We have the last two that you need to go in there and talk to, Mr. Glenn. We have Courtney Young, and on ticket number, oh, you sent them,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You got that one sent to you, so you should have that in your email. On Francis Young, however, it's a state ticket. So, if they do improper plates on count one, which is no operator's license on person, I'll dismiss counts 2 and 3. For Francis Young.
I'm ready for the next person. The person in room 8 didn't respond to Courtney Young. She's not responding.
Okay, well, we're gonna close all the rooms and see if they come back.
Okay.
That lady never sent anything. Yeah, the judge gave it offer though. She made up an offer.
It's Young, Courtney Young.
Oh, no, yeah, that's a gentleman.
Yes, speaking.
That's Miss Francis Young. I can hear you, ma'am. I'm gonna handle your matter right now.
Okay,
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Francis Young. This is ticket number X3891901. One count, no operator's license on person. Count 2, disregard traffic signal, stop and go light. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
William Glenn on behalf of Miss Young.
And Ms. Young, did you say your name?
P36794. Miss Young, can you identify yourself?
yes, Francis Young,
This is the date.
7501. Yes,
Okay,
did you want the address?
No, ma'am, don't
Yes.
put your address on. This is live on YouTube, so people can see this, and I don't want
Okay,
to have
thank
your
you.
person, okay?
Okay, sorry, carry on.
This is, no problem. This is an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding today?
There I go. Your Honor, we waive the formal reading, stand mute. Your Honor, we're asking for a pretrial date in this matter. My client she's in the process of getting all of her valid documentation so that we should be able to resolve this at the pretrial date once we show this to the prosecutor.
Okay. Ms. Young, you gonna be able to do that?
Yes,
ma'am.
No, Courtney Young, I'm not talking to you. We already tried to get you and you weren't responsive, so you're gonna have to hold tight. I'm doing Francis Young right now.
Mhm.
All right, hold tight. Okay, Ms. Young, you're gonna be able to get all your documents and everything together?
Yes, I already have them.
Okay, you need to be able to show them, so you need some time so that you can figure out how to work YouTube, how to work Zoom, is that what you need?
Will do, yes.
Okay, if I give you until February the 22nd, is that gonna be enough time for you to figure everything out?
Plenty of time, plenty of time.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you until February the 22nd, 2022.
Okay,
5 a.m. You're gonna sign
Yes.
in to, you think you're gonna be able to figure out how to do that? Because we need to be able to see your documentation. Is that gonna be, are you gonna be able to talk to someone to help you be able to do that?
yes, I'll be able to do that, yes.
Okay, all right. It's the same Zoom number and everything. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And if you have
Okay.
any trouble, the documents that you have to get on, they have the courtroom phone number. Give us a call, Miss Young, and we'll try and figure it out, because I don't want you to not be able to show us what you
I
need to
will
show.
do.
Okay?
I'll do so. Yes, I will.
All right, thank you. This is nothing.
Thank
personal.
you. Thank you. At 8:30. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. You have a good day.
Thank you. You have a blessed day. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
All
All right, now let's check out your screen.
I'm gonna hang
Zoom
you up,
number.
ma'am. Okay. Just go ahead and
Okay,
hang
thank
up
you.
the phone. Okay. Now, Mr. Young, when he goes into this breakout room with you, I need you to be responsive, okay? Okay. I'm gonna open all the rooms again, and Mr. Glenn and Mr. Young go to room 8. You're gonna unmute yourself, Mr. Young, okay? Unmute yourself when you go in. Okay, does it tell you to go to room 8? Go to room 8. There you go.
Ready, Your Honor.
You ready on Mr. Young?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is she prepping the docket for tomorrow? Thank you, and prep the docket for tomorrow. Yeah. That's what you gotta do, boo. Where is it? You want me to grab it? John is probably working on it. John, you working on tomorrow's docket?
Mr. Young, can you hear us okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Or was she doing?
This is the matters of the people versus Courtney Young. These are tickets number P11982217. Disregard signal red or amber, violation count 2 violation, registration or plate violation. Ticket number P 1149612, one count drive on registered or untitled vehicle, one count no insurance misdemeanor, one count drive on while license is expired. Also calling ticket number P 1198233, one count no insurance misdemeanor, one count drive on registered or untitled vehicle, one count drive while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
William Glenn, House Counsel on behalf of Mr. Young, P36794. Mr. Young, can you give your name?
Courtney Young.
Yeah, no, we waive the formal reading, stand mute. We asked for a pretrial date. My client tells me that he's in the process of getting all of his paperwork in order, and he wants to be able to show that to the prosecutor and to the court at the next hearing.
Okay, is that true, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to set this matter over for a pretrial on the date, on the date of February the 22nd of 2022, okay?
You said the 22nd?
February 22nd, 2022, that should give you more than enough time to get everything together. This hearing is gonna be at 8:30 in the morning, 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all of these. Some of these may have bench warrants, so I'm going to remove the bench warrants at this time. And I'm going to put in personal bond $0.
Cool. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if you have nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today, Mr. Young. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry about being so late.
It's okay, Mr. Young. You told me you were in another courtroom. I know sometimes the technology is a little difficult. Thank you for being patient today, Mr. Young.
Okay, thank you again.